Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HCJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have a bit of a segue. We have the honor and the privilege of speaking with Steve Maggi. Steve, would you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi everyone. Steve Maggi here. I'm an immigrant from Argentina, and I've been running my own immigration practice based in the US since 2004, so for a little while.
Okay, fantastic.
So the next question is about green card holders or lawful permanent residents. Under what circumstances typically would a green card holder be subject to deportation?
Yeah, it's not something that you see terribly often. Essentially, you have to commit a crime that's at the top end of the scale in terms of its gravity. Certain things which are considered aggravated felonies, for example, homicide. Then you have drug offenses. All the administrations of recent memory have been very anti-drugs. So if you're trafficking drugs, for example, you could be deported. And then there's something called crimes involving moral turpitude, which is a very gray area also, but that includes murder, rape, incest, kidnapping, high-level theft or fraud. And then the most basic reason why people can be put in deportation, believe it or not, is they get a temporary green card, what's called a conditional residence based on marriage, and they fail to submit a removal of conditions application. And if they don't do that, they can actually be deported. I think that's probably the most common reason for deportation, is people just overlooking their requirement to remove those conditions. Sometimes people move addresses and then they forget to notify immigration service. Maybe they didn't present the original case with an attorney, so nobody is advising them that they have to submit this removal of conditions. They forget about it, and eventually that can trigger a deportation hearing. That's the error you never want to commit, right? The rest of these things are crimes that you're proactively committing that are so high level that they could potentially merit deportation.
Okay, thanks a lot for that.
And if someone wanted to reach you, what's the best way to find you?
Probably just to contact me on LinkedIn or to write me directly, SMAGGI at SMAlawyers with an S.com. The website is www.smaimmigration.com. They can also send a query through the website.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you.